Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple. Let's get started. Hey everybody, Aaron Smith here. If you're new here, check out my channel. I just recently started. I got a few songs on there. And this is a real good song, Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple. But hit that subscribe button. I got a lot of good songs with a lot of different varieties. A little bit harder rock, more pop, maybe even some country in there. But so you want to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. So here we go with Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple. Okay, the first stuff is going to go like this. It's going to go. So it's. Just a little tricky until you get used to it. So let me do it. I'll do it a little bit slower. And then if you're going to do the live version, that's what this will be, the live version of it. So the live will go then it slides, and then back to that. So it does that. So you don't have to put in that if you don't want to. I'm just doing the live version because at the end I got that little lead that's in the live version. So here we go with that, and then I'll show you the right or the left hand. So you're going. And then you start with your G. See how it fills that in? G really fills that in, and I'm sure if you know about music, this song's in fourths, not fifths. That's why that G goes along with it. So there's that part, the main riff, which sounds real good on the guitar if you learn it on the guitar. So here's the part when they start singing. So it goes, we all came out to Monstreux on the Lake Geneva shoreline to make records with the mobile. We didn't have much time. Fake Zappa and the Mothers had the best place around. Some stupid with a flare gun burned the place to the ground. So see, that's just mainly real easy chords. It's just mainly getting that rhythm in there is what it is. We all came out to Monstreux on the Lake Geneva shoreline to make records with a mobile. We didn't have much time. Frank Zappa and the Mothers had the best place around. Some stupid with a flare gun burned the place to the ground. Now, so that's what it is. So it's just G minor and F there. Just G minor and F. So it's just G minor. chorus. Smoke on the water, a fire in the sky. Yeah. Smoke on the water. Then back to that. It's burning down. It's burning down. So I'll do that, the chorus again. C. Smoke on the water, A flat, a fire in the sky. G minor. Smoke on the water. So you got it? It's just C, A flat, a fire in the sky. Smoke on the water. Back to that. And then it goes. They burned down the gambling house. You died with an awful sound. Funky Claude was running in and out. He was pulling kids out of the ground. You know, so it goes back to that again. So that's basically the whole song. You know, with some of that riff and your other verses. Your verses, like I said, you learn one verse, you learn them all. So the ending goes, let's say, hold out there. Just like that. So you're right here, you go, you'll be like this. There you go. So you come to that G at the end. So you're always here, and then at the end you'll come to that G and go. Just those two notes. So that lead one more time. So you're here and you're going. At the end of the song. Just kind of work with that. There. There's your smoke on the water for you. Just work with it. Remember, you got your verse. I mean, your the main riff. There's your main riff. That's your main song. the verse. Now the chorus. Smoke on the water, a fire in the sky. Yeah. Smoke on the water. And then the ending. So there you go. Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple. Just work with it and you'll get it. It's a real good song. Now I'll show you what your next lesson will be. Till next time, later.
I think I'll go get me a 12-pack.